I ain't playing with you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is just gonna be a look using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. This palette is gorgeous. I came up with this look just using this palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Today we're gonna be using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And this is what it looks like. It has a nice big mirror. I'm gonna try to cover her up. And then we have all of these eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette for my eyes today. It does have a scent to it. It's supposed to smell like peaches. I'm not sure if it really does, but it does smell really, really good. Normally, Too Faced palettes always smell delicious. I already prepped my eyes with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. All right, so this is the look we're going for. I went ahead and I tried to do most of this eye so that we can do this eye on camera. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here, which is a light peachy shade, and just put that in my transition shade area. And then from there, we're going to move into Freshly Picked and Peach Cobbler, which are these shades right here, this one and this one. And we're going to place those a little lower than the first two. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Peach Tart, which is this brown right here, and put it on the outer edge right here, and just pat that in with a more dense fluffy brush, which looks like this. All right. So then I'm going to take this purpley shade right here, which is Just Ripe, and I'm going to take it with my finger and put it all over my lid. So then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush from Wet n Wild and take the first Freshly Picked and Peach Cobbler colors, which are these ones right here. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this shadow with the rest. And just blend until the harsh lines are gone. And then I'm going to take a flat shader brush like this, and I'm going to take Peach Butter, which is a lighter shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and blend it down. And then take that Wet n Wild fluffy brush and just blend those two together. All right, so now we're just gonna take a liquid liner. I'm using this felt tip eyeliner. Any liner will work as long as it's really black. All right, so I went ahead and I did my foundation, my concealer, my blush, my highlight, my contour, everything off camera. If you're interested in knowing what I used, I will link it all down below in the description bar so that you guys can see what I used. But this highlight is popping, so I'm going to just let you guys know what it is now. I used the Artist Couture Summer Haze highlight. This is amazing. The Artist Couture highlights are a bomb. So I didn't do eyelashes today just because my eyes are feeling a little bit sensitive. They're watering with everything, so I'd rather not ruin this eye look. You can accomplish the same goal with or without eyelashes. Some people just prefer more of a vavoom. So if you want this look but you want it to amp it up a little bit more, definitely put some eyelashes on. So what I used on my eyelashes is just the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume mascara in Black is Black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small crease brush, and I'm going to take that Just Ripe color with a little bit of Peach Tart, which are these two right here. I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to put them on the lower lash line very gently. You don't want to go too hard-handed on this. I'm going to use the Fresh Picked eyeshadow, which is this light orangey color right here, with the Wet n Wild large fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna add some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus in Black Oinks, And this is just a black eyeliner. Any eyeliner will work. I'm just going to put this in my waterline and tightline. So I'm going to give my eyes a little bit of a break from the mascara and the eyeliner, and I'm going to put an inner corner highlight. The same highlight that I used on my cheekbones, I'm going to go ahead and put that on the inner corner, which is that Artist Couture highlighting powder. And I'm just going to take my pinky, grab a little, and just put that on my inner corner. If you feel like you need to blend that out a little bit, go ahead. Now we're just going to move into our lips. So I'm going to line my lips with the CoverGirl Caramel Nude 205 lip liner. So I'm just going to line my lips. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and take the CoverGirl Sultry Sienna color, which is this one. I'm just going to fill in my lips with this lipstick. Top it off with some lip gloss. This is the Lemonade Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in Lemonade. And you're pretty much done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with some setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Jeffree Star Morphe Collab setting spray. This spray is amazing. It smells delicious and the mist is awesome. Alright, so this is the finished look. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Leave me a comment down below just giving me your thoughts on this look. Alright ladies, so I just have an announcement real quick before I end this video. I will be doing a giveaway, and all you have to do to enter my giveaway is be subscribed to my channel and go to my Instagram account. The last post I made on there, go to the comment section and tag 3 friends in the comment section. Also make sure to like that photo, and that's it. You are entered to my giveaway. And thank you guys for watching today's video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.